Hey y'all, so today is September 7th and I just planted a bunch of mums. So mums are actually perennial in my zone. I'm in zone 9B. I planted a few mums around the edge of this bed and also on the inside. So here I have, this is I think a Selena red. It's almost like a maroon. It will be a deep red. On this other side, so this area in the middle is Gardenia radicans. On this other side of it, I've planted, and I think a Gigi orange. These were tiny little mums, and I selected small ones so that they can establish better than, because I think they establish better than the larger ones. So this one is an orange one. This is a red one. And then on the inside of the beds, I've put some yellow ones. So this is a Gigi yellow. That's another yellow. If we walk around on this side, this one I think is a white one. This is a white one. And then this one is a dark pink one. And they're in between them is this dwarf bottle brush. So that's, I think that's white, that's pink. And then I repeat that over here. I have a white one, a pink one, and then a white one. Another bottle brush is here. And that's a yellow one. The yellows do really well in my garden. I've planted a few. I have other videos on the channel about my mums. The yellow ones grow really big. They grow much larger than the others. So there's another set on this side. So this one is a repeat of what we started. This is a Selena red one. I have a Gardenia again in the middle. And then on this side, we have a Gigi orange one. And again, some yellow ones are dotted inside the bed. So, and I usually plant the young ones. So you can see all the buds, tiny little buds. It's really bright. I don't know if you can see it really well. This red one, some of the buds have started opening up. See? But I planted them today. Said it's September 7th. We'll give them a couple of weeks to see how they look like. And I'll come back and show you once the flowers have started opening up. All right, thank you. Okay, so today is September 14th. It's been a week since I planted these mums. So as you can see, this Selena red has started opening up. It is really dark. It's a very pretty dark red. The buds have been opening up. I've been watering this past week. So that looks good. On this side, we have the orange. A few are starting, but they're still a little bit behind. And in between them is that flanking this Gardenia radicans. Inside the bed is there's one Gigi yellow right there. That one is it hasn't started opening up. We see tiny buds, and then there's another one over there. So we'll look at that in a little bit. So let's go around the bed. So on this side, this is a Snow White. It's a white one. There's a little bit of burning that I'm seeing. They've expanded a little bit. This other side is a pink one. It's been really hot, so some of the leaves are starting to burn. The buds haven't opened up yet, but they're coming. I see they're coming, and they're flanking this dwarf bottle brush. On the inside, you see that's the other GG yellow. That one hasn't opened up yet. So I've repeated this set, the pink and the white on this other side, right here. So this is a dark pink one, another pink one, hasn't opened up yet. We have another bottle brush there and a snow white right here. So it's been really hot, as you can see. There's been some burning, so I just keep removing the burnt leaves and the burnt buds. And the inside here we have another yellow, and another yellow is on the other side. So the final set is coming up right here. We have again another Selena red, similar to where we started. This is starting to open up. The red ones were a little bit ahead of all the others. So the red one there, this is another orange. We don't have flowers yet. The buds are expanding but not opened up yet. And then that's a yellow. The yellow hasn't opened up either. So they're looking good. It's been a week. I'll give them a few more weeks. We'll keep watching, and then we'll see how they do. And I'll be back probably in the next week or maybe 2 weeks to give you another update. Hey y'all. So today is September 21st. It's been 2 weeks since I planted these mums. I wanted to give you an update. So this is where we started from. So this was a GG orange. The buds, as you can see, are starting to open up. On this other side, we have a Selena red. More opening is happening. I see it's, I think they're actually already starting to expand a little bit. It's been warm, but because I've been watering them every day, I think that has helped. On the inside, we have some GG yellows. One there, another one there. So let's go around to this other side for another set. So this is a Snow White. I see the size has gotten a little bit bigger, but there was some burning. This other side we have a GG pink. It's a dark pink. A little bit of burning as well. But from the size, I think from the sizing, I can tell that they've expanded a little bit. So this is the other GG yellow. The other set is down here, where, okay, on this side we have the pink, the establishing, and the Snow White is here. There's a little bit of burning on this other side, but they are expanding. In here, behind this zinnia is another yellow. Another yellow is there. And the final set is on this side, similar to how we started. So this is the Selena red, and then the GG orange. They are flanking these Gardenia radicans. And here's a closer look of the other yellow. So even though it's been really hot for this time of the year, they've been watered, so I think that has helped a lot. We'll continue checking. I'll come back maybe in another week or 2 weeks and give another update. Okay, thanks. Bye. Today is September 28th. So it's been 3 weeks since I planted these mums. So let's see how they're looking like. So this was the first Gigi orange. The buds have opened up. I think it's expanded a little bit, and there are more buds to come. Here is the Selena red. See, there's already some, that one is already gone, so I need to pinch that off. Mums need to be pinched off as soon as you see any, the flowers are drying up. Pinch it off to encourage more blooming. So that's the Selena red. The yellows, the Gigi yellow, there's one in here that's starting. You can see the buds are starting to open up. There's a second one there. We'll get around to it, but let's go around. So this one, this is the Snow White, a white one. So there had been some browning, which you can see in here, but the buds are starting to open up. I don't know if this one is receiving too much light. Hidden behind this is the pink one. Behind this zinnia is the pink pulling it back. The zinnias are flopped over, so it's a hot mess. So there's the pink one. The buds are starting to open up. Here's the yellow that I was showing from the other side. You can see they're starting to open up. The size has increased a little bit. So the next one, next set, we have pink one here that's starting to open up as well. Here is the other Snow White one. There is a yellow one in here that hasn't, the buds are out there, but they haven't opened up yet. Let's go around to, so here is another Selena red. Take those off. Here is another Gigi orange. Here is another yellow one, and that was the other one. So that's the 4 sets. It's been 3 weeks, so I'll probably stop this video here, or I might do 1 more week of updates. But thank you for watching. Bye. Today is October 12th. So it's been exactly 5 weeks since I planted these mums. I planted them on September 7th. So I decided to do one final look at the mums. So it's been 5 weeks. So this is where we started from. This is the Gigi orange. You can see, I think it's looking good. It's grown a little bit. The buds have opened up. There are some more that will open up as it continues to grow. This is the Selena red. This one was, when we planted it, the buds had already started opening up. So it's starting to dry up a little bit. It's been really hot. It's never been, I don't think it's been this hot as far as I remember for September and early October. So there's some burning, but I keep pinching them. See new, see right here, new buds have opened up. So that's the Selena red. The Gigi yellow, so that one has opened up. The other one has opened up as well. If we go around to the next set, so This was, it's a Snow White. I think it's a Gigi White. As you can see, it's more opening since the last video. Here is the dark pink, the pink one. So even though it's been hot, I've been watering them every day. So I think that has helped. I'm sure as we continue into the fall, the cool weather will, they'll be much happier with the cool weather. But I think they look good. The other set of the white and pink are here. So this is the pink. You need to keep pinching out the ones that start drying up. This is the other white one. Looks good. Pinch those out. Then the final set is back this way. We have go this way. Another Selena red. And another Gigi orange. So I think they all look good. Oh, and then in here again we have the you see the Gigi yellows. The yellows, I think they've opened up the most, if I'm not wrong. Maybe the oranges too, but they all look good. So I think I'll actually finally stop this video here. It's been 5 weeks. I think I've given 3 or 4 updates since I planted them. And we'll keep enjoying them. I'm sure they'll look better as the fall goes on. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for keeping up with this, watching through all the way up to the end. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.